happy and so excited about today's workout. Today is a God-blessed day. So excited. Welcome to the pre-workout jolt, guys. And lights, camera, woo! Lights, camera, glute bridge thrust. Let's get going. I'm so thrilled about today's hot for ya hump day. But first, I'm gonna start with some beautiful, just get your mindset in the right. I want you to kiss your mindset. Mwah. Kiss your goals. Mwah. I want you to kiss your future. Mwah. I want you to kiss your aura, your energy. Hug yourself, love yourself, feel good about your goals. You know, I almost took a day off today, but then my fat suit in my closet and my old me said, oh yeah, she's taking a day off. Let's creep up on her, okay? But then I said, no, I'm not gonna allow that to happen. I'm going to wake up, dress up, show up, kick butt, literally kick my own butt, and motivate my VIPs. Let me tell you what is happening. Friday, we're doing our glute ham tie-in clinic. The workouts that I'm gonna be showing you today are the ones that I'm gonna be talking about on Friday's group coaching. So you're gonna get a double whammy. You're gonna do it in action here, and I'm gonna show you again and talk about it again to get deeper, better results that last, okay? And guys, it's all about animating the body. We're gonna flatten the belly, really tie it in tight, while busting up the booty. Good morning, Nina. Good morning, Rita. Good morning, Susan. Yes, okay? So we're gonna just animate, get beautiful curves, enjoy balancing our hormones, debloating our belly, detoxing and cleansing, guys. I'm super thrilled about that. Now, I wanna say something real quick. I got my True Drops in the mail. Thank you to Susan Lozier for putting me onto this. This is a great, oh, that's better. Beyonce here. This is a great way to help you bust the belly fat and shred fat fast. I'll be talking about this. It's an appetite suppressant, natural though. It's gonna boost your metabolism naturally because it's got green tea. I'm gonna share this more during our private jolt, okay? This is like a little secret weapon for the Skinny Jean Challenge, okay? We wanna fill out the booty, all right? We wanna fill out the booty, right? But also want to cinch in the waistline and be able to zip up those jeans. So I'm going to share with you how we're going to do that. This is our next challenge starting February the 18th, okay? It's all for charity. It's $1 to join, which I then match, and then we send that out to a charity of our choice, and I'm actually going to see which ones you want. I was going to do the Australian Fires, but many of you had other ideas, so let me know. We'll talk about it. Okay, do you believe we're only like, oh my gosh, 9 days away from Valentine's? Will you be my Valentine? You know, Valentine's Day is not only for couples, it's for friends. And I want to tell you that you guys are my Valentine. Isn't it odd? Ask yourself this question. Last time you trained with a trainer, did you not feel like they were really engaged in your goals? Did you feel like they didn't really give you the attention you deserved? Getting someone's attention and then getting them to actually care about your goals, your results, is so rare these days. Even the other life coaches, you'll get in their program, it's all automated, it's a bunch of emails, it's a bunch of pre-recorded videos. You don't even know where this coach is. She's off drinking, partying, she's not even existent. You don't even know if she's really real, and you don't see her in action. I wanted to break the rules with that. That's why our VIP program is working. That's why we're getting results. That's why you guys are like on fire. Thank you so much. You know, you, a VIP woman, I talk about what a VIP woman is in the book, and also what a VIP woman isn't. A VIP woman, you are going 120 miles per hour, but you haven't even started your engine yet, okay? That's a VIP woman. A VIP woman is hell-bent, dedicated, disciplined, and ready to kick butt on her goals. Now, we talk about drawing out. There's a thing in the wellness industry where you draw out heavy metals from your brain, you draw out heavy metals from your liver, you draw out toxins from your body, you draw out the impurities, you're drawing it out. Well, as your coach, I'm here to draw out excellence in you, okay? I'm here to evoke your personal VIP power to the utmost. Pull it out. How do you do that? When I show you my personal excellence, you're then wanting to have it drawn out of you, your personal excellence. When you see your other VIP sisters in the group drawing out and sharing their successes, it creates an amazing melting pot of motivation that is priceless, that you cannot get anywhere. When you see someone excel in their goals and kick butt, and it might be different from your goals, that's okay. We're all different. We're not here to compete. We're here to complete each other. We're going to draw out the excellence of each other by sharing. Now, we always hear about those exposés, right? Oh, there's an expose on this celebrity. Oh, she was exposed. The truth came out. Well, you know what? I'm going to expose you and your amazing VIP power, and I'm going to pull it out of you, and I'm going to expose to the world just how awesome you are. No more hiding, no more covering your light, no more shrinking, no more self-sabotage, because you know deep down inside just how powerful you are, and it kind of scares you. Well, you know what? We're not going to be scared anymore. We're going to be courageous and walk. I'm going to expose you. I'm going to expose just how awesome you are, and I'm going to expose it to everybody, and you are going to have the last word, and they're going to see just how awesome you are. The exposés have begun. Let's expose to the world just how awesome we are. Okay? I want you to know that, and I'm going to leave you in this. What you have gone through as a VIP woman would have left people dead on the side of the street like a dead animal, like roadkill, like a carcass, and vultures would have picked off of that flesh. You've been through it. You survived it. You're a VIP woman. I'm dealing with some grown folk here. I'm dealing with some grown women who have been to hell and back in a handbag and are here to talk about it. What you've gone through would have broken some weak women. You're here victorious. They threw you to the wolves. You came back leading the pack, honey. That's the type of women I'm dealing with on the daily. That's why I get excited about this group. Okay, you were a queen, right? And when you sit in your throne, that chair knows you. When other people try to sit in your throne, the chair actually spews them out. It says, get out of here, and the chair throws them. That's like our VIP group. People that can't handle the personal excellence, the goal setting, just shedding the BS, it throws them out. That's why you here are getting results. That's why you here are fearless. That's why you here are cut from a different cloth. You're a VIP woman. You're going 120 miles per hour. You haven't even started your engines yet, okay? Now, I don't know who I'm talking to out there, but I know I'm hitting someone with a spiritual 2x4. If you love what I'm saying, give me a heart. If you know what I'm saying is the truth and you're like, she's right. You know what? She's right. It's hard to get people to care about me. And when they even pretend to care about me, they got some ulterior motive behind it. They really don't care about me. It's just bait and hook and bait and switch. They get my attention, I'm following them, and all of a sudden it's all discombobulated, and I'm thinking, how did I get in this spot doing this thing for this woman, and she ain't even helping me? Am I talking to someone out there? You know what I'm talking about. My third eye is way too open. It's way too open, too much, 2 times, and my mouth is open, and I'm talking about it. So if you feel what I'm saying and you're sick of the BS, come on to the VIP side, JNLVIP.com. We're getting whittled in the middle, but got much back. We're getting crazy physical fitness goals, looking like a snack, okay? We're feeling fabulous, and we're fearless, and nobody's going to mess with you ever again. Let's do this, guys. I'm jolted. This is going to be a fun workout. You might be thinking, oh my God, hot for your hump day. This is going to be hard. No, I'm making it fun. Pick your level. You can lift heavy biscuits and gravy and pancakes, or you can lift, you know, little Wheaties. Whatever you want to do, all right? Because we're going to get those heart-shaped booties. Let's do this. Live at 8 a.m. I believe in you. Woo, woo, woo. Let's go. Love you. Yelly, Rita. Dead fish on a slab. Where's my dead fish on a slab when I need it? Love you guys. I will see you. Brooke, it's going to be fun. Hello, everybody. I will see you guys soon. Love you.